Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie VISH. I'm Vishwanath. In this video we are going to unbox a new smartphone from Infinix. So it's Infinix Hot S3. So this is the first smartphone from Infinix in 2018, and before moving on, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and also press that bell icon so that you will get notification once I release my new video. So let's get started. Hey guys, it's unboxing time. Today I have Infinix Hot S3 smartphone. So it's one of the great smartphone in a middle level price range, and here they have mentioned as 9,999. I got it for 8,999 in Flipkart. Let's see the box. So we have this sticker here, and here there is a Infinix brand here, and here they say S3 20 megapixel low light selfie they have mentioned here, and here it's a barcode and other stuff, serial number, IMEI number and all. Here it says S3, and here it says 20 megapixel low light selfie camera, Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, 18:9, 5.7 infinity display, and 4000 mAh battery, and bokeh and beauty mode in camera, and it runs on XOS, safe, stylish and efficient, they say like that. Let's see, I have not used XOS previously, this is first time, so it's my first Infinix cell phone. I have not used any of the Infinix brand. Oh yeah, see that? It's we need to take up from here. It says Infinix S3 Express yourself with 20 megapixel low light selfie camera, and it's a nice cover. And at the back you will get a fingerprint sensor, a single 13 megapixel camera, it's dual tone flash, and here you can see it's not a hybrid slot, you can insert two 4G SIMs and an SD card, so it's a good thing. And here there is a front LED also, and here is the camera and the sensor. Let me keep this cell phone aside and let me see what we will get inside other than this. So there is a quick start guide, and I guess we have a screen protector from Infinix. Here we are also getting a back cover, so you don't need to buy a back cover after buying this cell phone. We will get a normal USB to micro USB cable, and we will also get a power adapter. It says 5 volt 2 ampere, and they have not mentioned it as a turbocharger or a fast charging. They will support fast charging like that, but it is a 2 ampere, it's a good thing, so it will charge faster, I guess. We will also get a SIM eject tool, so it's very cool. It says E something like that. Yeah, let me take this cover off. Yeah, and see this, it's a very huge display, you can see that, right? It's 5.7 inch display. So let me take this also off. I don't need that. And here there are some barcodes. This I will take off afterwards. So let's see the design. You will get a 20 megapixel camera here, and calling speaker, and dual tone LED flash, and there is a sensor, and it's a huge 18:9 5.7 inch display. And at the right side we will get a volume control and a power button. At the back side there's Infinix brand and fingerprint sensor and a camera with dual tone LED flash. At the left side you will get a SIM ejection, and also at the top you will get a 3.5mm jack, and at the bottom you will get a micro USB charging port. With that you will get a speaker. It's a little speaker at the right side, and a primary microphone. So it looks like metallic design, but it's not metallic. It's a poly something material, and it's like a plastic. Yeah, it's not metallic. And let me turn on the device. At the same time we will see the specs of this device deeply. See this? It shows XOS, stylish, safe and efficient. Let's start. Let me select. Yeah, I love this color. So it says I swipe up. Yeah. Let me see. See this? It's really customized OS. You can increase or decrease the brightness. Yeah, let me set it like this, and you can go to the setting, and let me go to the system, and let me go to the about phone. So here they are giving Android O, so it's comes with Oreo. See that? Let me swipe that. Yeah. It's really cool actually. And let me see other options. Oh, you can swipe up to get to the main menu. So here you can see all the apps. It already has so many default apps, including WhatsApp and Flipkart and other things. And so let me quickly review the camera. Let me follow this, and let me take a picture. See that image? But still there is a little bit noise, but I think it's because of bad lighting condition in my room. The picture is good. This one is good, and I will do the complete camera review after after using some days. Let's see the front camera. Okay, let's see. Oh, is that a beauty mode? See the details. It's really good. Yeah, it's in the beauty mode. Let me go to the auto mode and take the selfie. See, you can see all my pimples and rashes on my face. So detailed. Yeah, it's okay. So let's see the options in the camera. That is a beauty mode, and auto mode, you can take the video. And there's a different kind of mode: panorama, night, time lapse, and professional mode. You can set everything, ISO and all. The professional mode. And there is a couple of filters also. You can change that, and you can resize this to full screen or a 4:3 ratio. You can see the there is a selfie flashlight. Let me touch the flashlight. See that? There's a setting also, advanced option. Okay. Front flashlight level, it says medium. Let me choose high. See that? That's the difference. Low, medium, and high. Let me set it to medium itself. And there is an HDR mode. You can turn on the HDR mode. Let me take the picture in the HDR mode. See that? It's so crisp and clear with the HDR mode. Let me see some other things. Okay. So it's a gallery. What is this? Mega Movie. There are some inbuilt applications. You can try that. See the sound quality? It's only a single speaker, but it's okay. Let me see, try now. See that? Okay, even you can hide this buttons. See that? Oh, you will get that again. So that multitasking, I think you can pull it up and you can, it's you can see multi-window. You can use 2-3 windows at a time. Let me play on video.
यहाँ मिलेगा घर सजाने का मुश्किल से मुश्किल हर सामान। Amazon, इंडिया के सपनों की अपनी दुकान।
See that? It will not use whole screen because it's a 720p video.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Techie VISH.
Yeah, let me minimize that. And it will not occupy the whole screen, but it will occupy a little bit. It will give a little bit black sidebar because as it's a 18:9 screen. Let me see 18:9 videos.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school.
See that? Now it's occupying the whole screen. It's occupying the whole screen now. See that? Let's see the fingerprint response. See that? Let me show. It's pretty fast. See that? Yeah. So that's it for guys. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and like my Facebook page. If you want to buy the smartphone, then I have given a link in the description. You can go to that. And thank you.